All right. What's up, y'all? Welcome back. So as you saw, we got the brakes back. They came early. I didn't expect them until later on in the week, and probably would have missed this video, but we got them early. I'm gonna go ahead and hop into unwrapping all that stuff. We got a bunch of other goodies, so I'll get that unwrapped and then we'll get into today's projects and see what all we got going on. I actually want to hold off a minute on unwrapping that stuff. There's some stuff on the inside I want to do first, so let's do that first, and then the quicker I do that, the quicker I can unwrap. So, okay, let's face it, stock speakers suck. So we got some Alpine Type S speakers for the doors and the rear deck. I'm gonna do the rear deck ones today. That way I can throw in the rear seats and have that all back in. Alright, so I've used Alpine for years. I started out when I first got into cars, I had Kicker, and their speakers were awesome. I loved them, but my OCD couldn't take it because they didn't have a head unit, and so I hated the idea of having multiple brands for stereo. And so Alpine kind of had it all, and I switched to them and haven't went back. And I've never seen the need to switch, so yeah. Okay, so these speaker rings actually come with the speakers. They had some little tabs like here and over here and a couple other places, and I just snapped those off because they were a little too long, and they're made to mount to multiple things, so this fits the best. And so yeah, let's throw these on and then we'll put the speakers in. Actually, before I do that, I want to put some black tape on the bottom of this because I don't have any Dynamat right now, and I want to keep down the vibration a little bit, so I'm going to put some black tape on it, and then that should help a little bit until I can get some mat and throw it in there. But yeah, let's do that first. Okay, so, I mean, let's not kid ourselves. That's probably not going to do a whole lot. It's just one layer of tape, but in my mind, it's at least something between the hard plastic and the metal. It'll work for now until I get some Dynamat. So let's do the other one and throw them in. And boom, just like that, it's in. I did run, they had the stock speaker wire hooked to this little thing, so I unraveled that and I ran it down in front of the seat belt back here and ran it up under the back deck itself, so I can fix that on the underside with some zip ties, and yeah, clean as can be. Let's do the other side and get moving on to something else. These little plug and play kits are so simple to just pop some speakers in. If you're not running amps, you just plug into the positive and negative on the bottom of the speaker, and then this little piece pops into the stock thing and you're good to go. Later on I'm going to run some amps, so I'll run the whole car full of speaker wire, but this will work for now. Okay, we got the city panels, the back deck, it's all in. Let's go get the seats and throw that in. Oh yeah, it's been months without the seats in there, but they're in there now. We almost got a full interior. Okay, so we got one more little touch to the interior, and that is some floor mats. We picked up some new ones. I'm so glad Mitsubishi still sells these. And we're gonna vacuum the interior real quick because I got some dirt tracked in there, and then we will throw them in. It's all coming together in there now. Everything's pretty much almost back in. I had a couple other things I wanted to work on in there today, but I'm tired of waiting, so I'm gonna unwrap that stuff. Holy shit, they came out so sick. I'm so amped on these. Let me take it out in the sun and I'll show you the color. If the brakes came out half that good, man.
A few moments later.
So sick. Man, the storm clouds rolled in quick. It's getting like super cloudy out right now. But anyway, all right, let's put this together now. I put this strut bar back on, and I did get, oh yeah, I did get a new Cusco sticker to put on the strut bar. So this thing should look brand friggin' new. Okay, we got it mounted up. Now I'm gonna measure and take some measurements and put that sticker right in the center, because if I don't, it'll drive me nuts. Okay, we got it marked. I got the top part stuck on so it's perfectly centered, or as close as I can get it anyways. So now we just push. Ah, that is pretty. Right dead center. Don't mind the wires, I gotta fix all that. That's from the speakers earlier. Don't look at that, and then just look at that. All right, that'll do it for this one. I had to close the garage door. It's getting kind of dark, so sorry if it's kind of echoey in here. But yeah, I appreciate you watching very much. I am super pumped with how the brakes turned out, how the strut bar ends came out. Leave a comment down below on what you think. I think it matches the interior stuff perfectly, exactly what I wanted. Big shout out to Blast Coatings for getting that done for me. And I'll also link his socials down below as well, if you want to check it out. And next time we should be rebuilding the brakes. So I'll be putting back in the pistons and oil seals and all that good stuff. So I'll do a rebuild video on those, and then hopefully by then my rear rotors should be here. I ordered those things in August, but I finally got confirmation that they're shipping soon. So cross our fingers for that. And yeah, don't forget to do all the other YouTube stuff down below. You know how it goes. Like and subscribe. It does help out a bunch. And I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!